Another super hot day. What should we do to cool ourselves down? That's right, let's make a delicious double chocolate chip frappuccino. First, grab your high-speed blender and add milk, sugar, vanilla extract, chocolate syrup, ice, and chocolate chips. Make sure to secure the lid tightly. Turn your blender on to high speed or the smoothie setting and blend until the ice is completely broken up and the chocolate chips are in smaller pieces. Now, let's get a tall transparent cup and pour the double chocolate chip frappuccino into it. Top it off with whipped cream. Sprinkle some rainbow sprinkles and add your favorite straw. And there you have it, your homemade double chocolate chip frappuccino. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.